some weird noises and how to do them. The first one I got from my first wife, she taught me this. And then there's the Bob Hope growl, which you do in the back of your throat. It goes something like this. Yeah, let me try that again. You have to have just the right amount of moisture in the back there. UFO is done by whistling and humming at the same time, and it sounds something like this. You have to oscillate as you go. Um, my mom taught me how to call cats. Kitty, 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 kitty. There they are. Okay, they're coming. Goat. A cow. Crows. Let's see what else right here. Oh, and squirrels. That's it.